Vaishnavi, see, the biggest challenge that I face, the most important is, as you must have seen that being an entrepreneur or entrepreneur is a part of my work. So biggest, see, I am always looking for people who are matching my thinking, who are ready to work, who are ready to give something, who are ready to deliver work efficiently. We have around 350 people who are working in our organization, including all the principals, teachers, everything, right from security guard. So I think the biggest challenge that I am seeing is finding talent, finding good people around who will not think right left. And this is not just my challenge, I think Bhar Madam will also agree with this. That the biggest challenge today is the short-sightedness about work, about purpose. I think यांना म्हणजे मुलांना दिसतंय ना सगळ्यांना, कारण या तुमच्या याच्यामुळे शूटमुळे बघा हे आहे आपली बाजू तुम्हाला हे नसेल तर आमचं शूट म्हणजे तुम्हाला काय पकडायला त्रास झाला तर आमचं पूर्ण शूट आम्ही तुम्हाला देऊ, तुम्हाला करायचं तर करा त्यांना. Everyone can see me.
सर आप एक चेयर लेकर बैठो.
हाँ बसा तुम्ही आरामात किंवा शूटचं we will give it to you, no problem. So I think I am fed up with people who go down to the situation, who are actually the biggest challenge I should say is finding people to work with who are ready to accept challenges. I think the word challenge is something which drives my life. Even when I look back to my life, see the word why is very important. That why I am doing, why I am opening institutes, why I am writing, why I am going to places to talk. So I think that rather than what are the challenges, my work is to find the challenges. See, there is a very important saying, काम मुश्किल है इसीलिए करने योग्य है, आसान काम तो कोई भी कर लेगा. Are you trying to get it? काम मुश्किल है इसीलिए तो करने योग्य है. आरोहण के बच्चे हैं तो मुश्किल काम है उसके लिए ही तो तैयार किए गए हैं. When madam will meet you and you will be in some difficult job, she will feel proud, isn't it, madam? That so I think this is the thing, and it has become, see what has happened that last 10-15 years, and the mobile has become very handy. Life has the prosperity which was very difficult to achieve before has come in reach of common man. So I think people are happy with very less thing that they are getting. This is the challenge that I am facing. Short-sightedness, this is the challenge I am facing. So rather than, I always say that I am not looking people like me for working or for collaborating. I am looking for people who are wiser and better than me. मुझे उन लोगों के साथ काम करना है जो मेरे जैसे नहीं, मुझसे बेहतर हो, मुझसे ज्यादा बुद्धिमान हो. And finding this thing is very difficult. One more thing that I feel is, we always say, see, as I told you that I travel all over the country and all over the world. So we associate our goals with the place that we live, isn't it? We are in Vaizapur. With globalization, Vaizapur is there somewhere on the map of the world. Globe अगर घुमाएंगे तो कहीं तो मिलेगा ना Vaizapur, isn't it? So why we go into, suddenly we go into a complex when we think that we are staying in वैजापुर. ऐसे होता होगा ना आप लोगों को भी, जब आप सुनते होंगे या कुछ शोज देखते होंगे या नेशनल टैलेंट सर्च का एग्जाम होता होगा कि अरे हम तो वैजापुर के बच्चे हैं ना, ये हम कैसे कर पाएंगे, या ये तो मुंबई या पुणे या बेंगलुरु या चेन्नई या दिल्ली पब्लिक स्कूल या ऐसे बच्चों के लिए ये शायद हो या ना हो. ऐसे होता है क्या, मन में विचार आता है कि नहीं? ऑनेस्टली बोलो ना, आता है ना? यस नो कुछ. एज अ स्टूडेंट सी आई हैव आल्सो passed 10th standard from Vaizapur. Okay, so I always had this ambition that, and I always used to think that why a student from Vaizapur can't be first in the state. Now these days you don't see the photographs, that time has gone now, but till I think when madam was in school,
It was a big deal.
It was a very big thing. It was a very big thing. And there was a big show. Meaning, I remember the day when I was first in the state, and Vilasrao Deshmukh was the chief minister, and he was from Latur, and I was also from Shahu College. So the chief minister of Maharashtra had come in that principal's office to garland us, and there I was a very thin, tiny guy who was almost invisible in the room, but scored highest marks. So I used to think that, see, this Vaizapur, just remove it from mind. We are citizen of the world. Okay, even if Prime Minister Narendra Modi comes in front of you, you should be equally confident. What if I am from Vaizapur? And believe me, we have the advantage of a rural wisdom. तुम जब शहरों में जाएंगे तब तुमको समझेगा कि we have a different rural wisdom which the guys from these metro cities don't have, because we are seeing a basic life around us. Are you getting what I am trying to tell? समझते हैं ना? So this is one challenge that I face. I always tell in my organization that although we are in Vaizapur, but we have to deliver a world class quality. We have to set a benchmark not just for India, but best in the world. If I am running an institute, it has to be best in the world. People from all over world should come and see my institute. At least start with this ambition. वर्ल्ड में नहीं तो देश में तो बेस्ट बन जाएंगे. बड़ा सोचेंगे. See, if you target for the roof, if you target for the sky, at least you will reach the roof, which will be the highest, which no one can even think. Are you getting it? So I think this is again one my challenge, that I see very less people who have such high targets of touching the sky. You know the sentence, Loam is crying. Loam is crying. Who said that? Can anyone tell? Students of 9th standard? Swami Vivekananda said, "Low aim is crying." कहीं पर लगा दो ये सामने तुम्हारे क्लासरूम्स में. There are two sentences by Swami Vivekananda. Arise, awake and stop not till the goal is reached. Isn't it? वो तो मालूम होगा ना. So I think this is the biggest challenge of our era, this era. Even I am on your era only. So that it is very difficult to find people around of such thinking whom we can collaborate with and pursue our bigger goals or organizational dreams. See, we alone are never enough. Madam will tell you. Madam is the leader, but she has a big team with her, isn't it? So that is the biggest challenge, Vaishnavi.